Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today, every day is a new day, right? Yes. How the day we take from mind-wise, from our the mindset, what we think, that's the way. Either if you think negative, then day will be negative. Either we think positive, you will see the positive. All the days are not same, I agree. Hope you also agree. So today also I brought for you the new varieties. If I talk about, before I say something about the product, when we see a fabric, when we see talk about clothing business, and either we take ready-made women apparels, either we take saris or matching collections, we match the exact matching collections, right? And this is the way the sari is having a commitment. When you buy a sari, there should be a petticoat, should be color. The sari, the printed designer ready-made blouse also should be matched, right? So today I'm talking about the product which I'm going to show you, the designer fancy ready-made blouse from the matching segment. Here is the matching segment of the counter where you can see falls, the petticoats and the ready-made blouses and the running material of the fabric, which is a ready-made blouse collections, the entire section. Yes, you're seeing a quantity of the individual bunches of the color charts. So this is what I was talking about, the matching varieties of the Kesaria Manufacturers, which is giving you a beautiful, lovely collection from the chart of the beautiful designer ready-made blouses. So today I'm going to show you the ready-made designer blouses. So very pretty, very stylish. Keep watching this video. If you're a reseller of saris, if you're a reseller of the matching varieties, this collections quickly you can add into your business. To know the exact price, please contact the numbers are scrolling on the screen below. Why I'm not mentioning the price here? Because many resellers are tied up with us and they are doing a business. They are also having some margin level. Many resellers are tied up with us and they having a margins based on their location. Okay, that's the reason I'm not mentioning the price over here. Actual prices, if you want to know the actual price, you can take a screenshot and you can contact our online team. So let's see the samples. All the varieties of the designer blouses I'm going to show you. This saris is a party wear sari for the party wear Jimmy Choo fabric or glossy imported glossy silk varieties. This is a silver butta, silver jerry and the curving design which is given here, and this is a back hook pattern. You got a fancy tassels also. In this you got a semi pads, all are free sizes. You can just alter and you got all the sizes. If we talk about the weaving work saris for the silk special butta work saris designer party wear embroidering, this is a embroidering chumki work, and this also you can find out the sari. If I talk about this color, which is a bottle green or the dark sequence work on the same pattern, for the pattern also which looks very royal and rich look, this collections also you can purchase. If we talk about the traditional base south pattern, you have a golden butta with the black color with the golden color, which is a covered butta jerry work. In this also you have a beautiful printed butta work, sir. All these collections which is based on the linen cotton, khadi cotton, gadwal cotton, and I talk about the Jimmy Choo fabrics and the lightweight chiffon, marble chiffon saris, crepe saris, turkey silk saris, satin saris, poonam saris. All these varieties you have a color charts with the ready-made blouses. If I talk about the sequence work with the golden, this is a sequence work of the piping work where you can see the wiring work on the top of that, which is given a sequence. Next pattern, which is a net finishing, which is a designer celebrity party wear on the evening parties, which is only net fabric based. This collection is also you can purchase. And if I talk about next sari, which is glossy, the golden border saris. If you want the gold border come saris, you have a creamish color, the thread work multi designer sari pattern. You have a very pretty with the back hook. You have a sleeves also. You can attach it based on your requirement. If I talk about the designer mirror work, sequence come mirror work, which is one of the blue curving designer, back hook pattern, curving designer blouse. These all varieties. These exclusive collections you can purchase with the Kesaria Manufacturers. I'll just show you the bunches of varieties. Every color chart we have a sari pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. And here I can show you some bunches of collections over here. These are all printed blouses for the cotton printed sari, fancy Poonam saris. You got a printed, okay? And this you have a bandhani print, batik, designer, digital print, chumki print, silver finishing. And if I talk about this collections, the zipper package, which is a running material of the blouse, which is 1.5 meter, 2 meters. These all varieties, and we do have a false bags and the saris, petticoats also we do have a petticoats, and the body fitting shapewears also you can see the petticoats. So all these varieties you can purchase. When you are running a sari business, you should have a matching collections also. So if you like this collections, go ahead for the online shopping. There's COD options are available. And if you the visit purchase, when I talk about the visit purchase will give you a benefits and the communication level and the quality level and the quantity base about the what are the products over here and the different varieties of segments. All these collections you can walk around, you can enjoy your shopping, you'll come to know what is actual price and the margin, how much you have to keep. This will give you a basic understanding and better understanding with the sales executives, and visit purchase will give you, and next time you can do the regular online purchase. So we do have a worldwide shipping transport. We do sea services, cargo services, 20,000, 25, 30 lakhs, unlimited, whatever you can buy. Home-based business, boutique business, shop business, side business. You can plan accordingly based on your requirements. Hope you enjoyed this design of fancy ready-made blouses. Go ahead for the online shopping. Next video will come up with new more collections, and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. What kind of collections you're looking for, let me know. I'll create those videos. Subscribe the channel. Next video will meet up with new more videos and information. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.